right. Hello there. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so excited to do this first ever episode of the Business House podcast. So, welcome. But before we dive into the spicy world of business strategy and mindset mastery, let's kick things off with a little behind the scenes scoop in episode 0. So, let's start with who I am. All right. Let's start to the beginning. I'm Eva Wolf, your guide through the realms of marketing magic and sales savvy. So who is the face behind the mic, right? Who is her? Who is this Frenchy girl who wants to do a business sales podcast? Actually, do you like this title? Because I really love it. I wanted to do something spicy, something different. And also, let's be honest, okay? In the US, oh my God, every people love hot sauce. It's a fact, right? I know. You know what I'm talking about. Come on. Who do not love hot sauce? Okay? Who? All right. Let's come back with who I am because I start there. So, picture this. I'm a passionate entrepreneur who stands with challenges, learns from victories, and is here to spill the juiciest lessons just for you. So I'm Eva Wolf. I'm happy to meet you there. I'm happy to have you there for the first ever episode. And I hope really, because it's very scary for me. I'm scared. I'm definitely scared because this is not my native language at all. And creating this podcast for you in English, I was thinking about it for years, really. It's a thing, fun fact, when I create I Am the Boss podcast, I wanted so bad to create it in English and I was so scared and I didn't do it. And now I'm having finally this challenge to create something that you can all understand. It's a thing because sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, I'm a business owner. I built this company and this one, and I'm doing this and that. And everything is in French. So when I meet people that don't speak my language, sometimes it's so hard. It's so hard for me to explain what I'm doing. It's so hard for me to speak about my background. And every people are like, Eva, I love you. I love what you do, but I don't even understand what you're talking about on Instagram stories or even on LinkedIn or whatever the social platform is. So I was thinking, this is the moment. And I told myself, all right, Eva, it's 2024. You have to make it. You're here now. You a fucking US person right now. And you have to take this challenge and you have to push yourself. You have to. And there we are. I'm here taking the chance, doing something bigger, growing something bigger, because sometimes you have to, or I said, you have to take your chance. You have to go out from your comfort zone. And if you don't do it, you can't grow. You can't do something bigger. You just can't grow your company. You can't grow your empire. So if you're here to have the secret sauce, to build your empire, to build your business and go to the next level and the next chapter of your life, go out from your comfort zone. And I think there is my first spicy tips I can give it to you. Rules number 1, go out from your comfort zone, really. And I'm doing it right now. So thank you to support me. Thank you to be here. Thank you to listen to me. I'm very happy about that. And I think it's a good start for the Business House podcast, right? Okay, so now remember, this isn't just about business. It's about crafting a life and career that you love. You want to do something you love. You don't want to do something you don't want to. You don't want to wake up every morning with a bad, sad face. Life is great. You don't want to have this sad face every morning. And it's why I decided to create this podcast. I want you to understand that success, it's a journey, not just a destination. It's like a package. You want the package, right? You don't want to be the loser of your life. So start to believe right now. Believe in you, believe in your business, believe in your success, believe in yourself. Okay, so I'm here. I'm here to help you to build your fully successful business life. The full package. I know it's hard. It's hard to be an entrepreneur. It's hard to start. But when you start, oh my God, you're so happy, you're so exciting about. And you know how I feel right now? I'm so excited to launch this podcast. Like it was my first ever company and you're like stressing out, but in the same time, it's so exciting. Anyways, I want you to feel that. I want you to feel that in your heart when you listen to me. I want you to believe that you can do it. Okay? You can. Why you can't? Just your mind saying you can't. So don't listen to the little voice in your mind. Don't listen to it. Just a bad voice because you're scared. You're scared, but I'm scared too, and I'm doing it. And I'm doing it because I want you to understand if you push yourself, it's possible. Everything is possible. Everything is possible, but you have to take a step, a big one, to have opportunities, to create opportunities because the business starts there. It starts by meeting people, pushing yourself, and going out from your comfort zone. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just dipping your toes into the business world, you're here for a ride. And you can expect episodes bringing with actionable tips, mindset hacks, and maybe a sprinkle of my own adventures. And I hope you will understand everything I will say. I hope you will see the progress because for me it's very hard to do this exercise, okay? So I hope when you will listen again to the episode 0, when it will be the episode 50 or 100, I don't even know where this podcast is going up. But I want you to remember that you have the power of your life. You have the power to do what you love. And this is a perfect example. I'm getting out from my comfort. I'm getting out of my mind right now. Really? This is terrible. And I'm like, maybe it's some French people that listen to me right now and making so laugh of me. But who cares? I want you to remember that. Who cares what people think? If you want to create something, just create it with your heart, okay? Don't think about what other people think because you put a fucking big wall in front of you if you do that. And no one wants to walk or run in a wall. This is so painful. Really, come on. You don't want that. You want a ride. You want the ride of your life. And it's why I create Business House Podcast, okay? It's to give you spice tips. It's to give you an exciting way to grow and the essence to create your success business story. So buckle up, Sauce Squad. Get ready to uncover the essence of the Business Sauce podcast, where success is not just served. It's served with an extra side of spice. All right, this is the clap of the episode 0. I love you guys. Thank you to listen to me and goodbye. See you soon, 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 soon.